Hello YouTubers, today I got a new package from New Zealand Mint. As you can see, New Zealand Mint. This is my latest coin from New Zealand Mint that I'm going to unboxing today. Okay, and this is the invoice. Take it out first. Okay, so there will be the box. Let's unbox the box and see what's inside. This will be my latest favorite coin that I will share with you guys. Okay, very nice packaging. Yeah, this is the coin that I'm going to share with you guys today. That's it. Boba Fett. So this is the new Star Wars, the Book of Boba Fett silver coin in nice packaging, hard casing. Okay, so here Boba Fett and Shin fact, new character in Star Wars. Okay, so this is a pure silver coin, and here you got Disney logo. This is a chibi coin. I think this is my first chibi coin that I purchased just because of this is Boba Fett. And for your information, Boba Fett, to recognize this character, one of the marks you can see at the top of the helmet, there will be a bullet dent on top. And here is the coin specification. Basically, this is a 1 ounce fine silver coin and a legal tender of New Zealand 2022, and only 2000 coin is mintage. And this is the serial number. Usually when you purchase a coin, you'll get a certificate, but for chibi coin, the serial number is on the box itself. So 1174. Okay, so let's have a look at the coin. So you just need to slide the box and you will have a protective film over here, and here is the coin. Very nice coin. Okay, let's quite heavy, quite sturdy. The casing is quite heavy and sturdy. So the coin is really nice. You can see actually there's a relief. It's not a plain coin. Actually it's got some relief on it. I hope you can see the coin. And this $2 silver coin. Got Lucasfilm Limited stamp at the bottom, and 1 ounce fine silver with a queen effigy on the reverse. I want to show you how good is the relief of this coin. It's quite nice. You can see the coin. Really nice design. I really love this coin, and this will be one of my greatest collection. you can display your coin like this. You got a special tilting mechanism. I hope you enjoy this video. I really like this coin. I hope this coin will be passed to my kids later on. Okay, hope to see you again on my next video. I hope you enjoy this, and please hit like and share button if you really like the content of this video. Okay, see ya.